Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your gift contract or monthly plan step by step. If it's been less than 14 days since activation, you can cancel for free. Just log in to your gift account, go to orders and payments, then your contract. Then tap Add My Contract and confirm. You'll get a refund within 3 to 5 working days. If it's after 14 days, you can still cancel, but there may be an early termination fee, usually 50% of your remaining payments. If you're using a monthly goodie bag, it's even simpler. Go to My Payments, turn off Recur Your Goodie Bag, and remove your card if you want. Your plan will end automatically after the current month. For more help, visit Ask an Agent on the GiftGaff website. And that's it. That's how to cancel your GiftGaff contract or monthly plan. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.